Kristen, we're capturing how much fun it is to ride a fjord. Can you show me how happy you are? Are you a happy fjord? Oh, she's so happy. And the waving mane is the best. Good girl, Kristen. Good girl. Say hello to your friends as we walk by. Hey, Roy. The rest of your friends are over there. Good girl, Kristen. Very nice zebra print you have on. It's very cold. Hope. Hope. Good girl. Kristen, thank you for the ride. You're so nice. Good girl.